In a world where ambition is a flame and power its fuel, the line between right and wrong blurs. A man rises driven by desires that burn brighter than his conscience. He builds empires, breaks laws of God and men, and bends faith to his will. But as the sun sets on his glory, shadows grow long and the truth whispers to his soul. Tonight, we witness the modern adaptation of the mighty Ravana. This man, like the Ravana of old, stands at the crossroads between man one, the embodiment of power, greed, and materialism, and man two, who carries within him the essence of core values like love, empathy, and humility. The pursuit of riches and conquest may fuel his rise, but within the heart of this man, there lies a conflict, a battle between hunger for more and yearning for peace. Tonight, we step into the twilight of such a man, a life where material desires ruled, leaving a trail of shattered dreams. A conversation begins between what was and what could have been. So, do you agree that each one of us carries a Ravana within? This is the tale of each one of us, torn in two. One, bound by greed, and the other, longing for redemption. Watch closely, for what unfolds is not just history, but a mirror to our own. This is the time to self-reflect. The White Raven.
Did you have to do that?
Did you have to do all the things you did in your life?
Did I have to? Seriously, everything I did for my family.
Family? Is that the story you tell yourself?
That's not a story. It's the truth.
Truth. You want the truth? Here it is. You were blinded by your ego. Family was just a mask you wore to justify selfish ambitions.
Yeah. Whatever. I know what this is. You're not real. You're me. A fragment. A trick of my dying mind. A pathetic attempt to guilt trip me before I die.
Perhaps I'm not real, dear brother, but the words I speak, they're as yet a destruction you left behind.
Blah, blah, blah. Spare me the sermon.
Go ahead, mock all that you want. But do you even remember the damage you caused? Do you insatiable hunger to conquer the underworld. What did you achieve? Chaos, despair, a train of ruin. And for what? Power?
Power. Power and more power. That's what drove me. That's what sustained me. Power. Power is everything. Power controls the world. What's wrong in that?
You're lost, my brother. Lost in the pursuit of power without understanding its true purpose.
Purpose. Power doesn't need a purpose. Power is its own purpose. And wasn't it supposed to protect, to elevate?
Indeed, power can protect and elevate. But without wisdom, it turns into a weapon. And a weapon, wielded without wisdom, turns against the one who holds it. Your wisdom, brother, was crushed beneath the weight of your ego.
Ego. I sought to secure what was rightfully mine. to defend my kingdom, my family.
And yet, in a quest for dominion, you sacrifice your humanity, your morality, and for what? Fleeting triumphs?
Humanity. Morality. And what good are those? Can they give you control? Can they give you satisfaction? Can they make the world bow to you?
You sought to build an empire, but forgot to build yourself. You were so blinded by your ambitions that you lost sight of the values that truly matter. Pride, brother, is not strength. It is a shadow that clouds the light of your soul.
Pride. Yes, my pride. That's where it all began. I was humiliated, insulted. What would you have me do? Stand there and take it? That's not who I am. I had to protect my prestige.
Prestige at what cost, brother? Do you even see the trail of destruction left in its wake? Do you? Your pride consumed everything. Your loved ones, your peace, your very own soul.
Don't lecture me. You were there when it all began. You know what I endured. You may be right in some ways, but that doesn't make me wrong. Pride, prestige, ambition. They're as vital as your so-called values. Light and dark both are equals. Both have a right to exist. So don't you dare stand there and judge me.
Did you see that? The world you built, the lives you shattered.
My head. It feels like it has been hit by a train. What did you do to me?
I did nothing but open the door, brother. Did you see that? Did you see what it just did? That was your story. I only made you recall what happened. What went wrong?
No. It's not my fault. How could it be? I was so far above it all. Too high to notice the trivials. But
what? Say it.
I let my pride cloud my judgment. I was totally wrong.
Love for yourself can be commendable. But true honor, it lies not in pride, but in humility and restraint. What might have been, brother, if you have chosen forgiveness instead of revenge, or even empathy, to pause, to listen, to see the other side of the story. You have only explored the fears in you. Have you harnessed the power of peace within you? We all have the power of peace within us.
परशुहस्ताय नमः
Did you see that? Did you see how smooth it could have been? How much peace you could have had? But no, you had to fulfill your ego.
I see it. But what's your point? It's too late for me. Anyways,
It is never too late to reflect, my brother.
fine, fine. Can I now have my glass of water?
If you think I'm done with you, then you're wrong. I'm not done with you yet.
I know. You're gonna make me live through my sins before this ends. Won't you? I know the drill.
Do I have a choice? You may not feel remorse, but I do.
Remorse? How can you have something which I don't? You are me.
Precisely my point. I am you, the inner you, the part that you have buried, the part that you have refused to accept.
What do you mean?
I carry the guilt you suppress. I feel the shame you deny. But your ego, it keeps me locked away. You will never escape this pain, brother. Not until you let me out. Until you release me.
What pain? What are you even talking about?
This conversation, this torment, this cycle, it will never end. Not until you cast off your pride and face the truth. Accept me, brother. Embrace me. Only then you will find peace. You are fighting within yourself. Stop it, brother. Stop it.
പഞ്ചഭൂതമഞ്ചു വെன்ற രാജനവൻ രംഗപട്ടണത്തിൻ ഈശനവൻ കടയും കടകടന്നു സാഗരപുറമതിവാനവനാ സർവലോകമതിലധിപതിയാകിയ രാക്ഷസേഷകുലതിലകമതാൻ അഖില ലോകമയ ഹേതുമതാകിയ പൂരനിശാചരതീജനവൻ Dev Tejas Agnisho വിശ്വരൂപമായി വീഴും കാലമേനി ചന്ദ്രഹാസഹസ്തം ഘോരബാഹു ചേരുമസ്ത്രശസ്ത്രം ചേരുകി രാവണ കൈകസി കാന്തിയതാ വിശ്രവജ്യോതിരതാ കൈകസി കാന്തിയതും വിശ്രവജ്യോതിരതും മനതാരിൽ വന്നൊരു മോഹം അവൾ സാർത്ഥമാകും നേരം ഒരു സായം സന്ധ്യാനേരം അവരൊന്നായി ചേരും നേരം അതിൽ നാലായി പിറവയുണ്ടായി ദശമുഖൻ ദശമദനൻ അതിബലവാൻ അത് രാവണൻ നിരനിരയായി കണ്ടു അവരൊന്നായി മണ്ണിൽ ജനഘോഷം ഓരിനായി വന്മടങ്ങു രാമനും ബലരാവണനും നാമമനവധിയാകിയുള്ളൊരു സായകങ്ങൾ ഇടവരും വീണിതല്ല രാവണൻ രാമാരാവണനും തമ്മിൽ വീണമാതിരി വീണമംഗള വന്നു ശുക്ലമതിയായി
You were right. I've done I've done so many wrongs in my life. I understand that now. I was consumed by my desire and rage. I lost myself into the darkness. What kind of person have I turned into?
Is that a tear I see rolling down your cheeks? Oh my! So the mighty king of the underworld can feel remorse. After all,
What do you want me to say? Yes, I have been an egoistic maniac. I have hurt people. I feel for them now. But I hate to break it to you. Brother, it's too late.
it is never too late to reflect, my brother.
But what would I have done if I had a second chance? Would I have done it differently? I don't know. Maybe I would have. But there's no way to know for sure. No one gets a second chance. Even I am drawing my last breath. It's too late for me to change.
It is never too late to reflect, my brother.
But why are you still there? Why am I still breathing? You've already broken my ego. I have freed you from myself. Then why am I still alive?
You're not listening. Like I said, it's never too late. Empathy and compassion could have saved you from this path, brother. But you chose revenge instead. Imagine what could have been if you chosen a different path.
Where are you going with this?
I'm giving you a second chance. Yes, a second chance.
A second chance? What do you mean? Wait, no. Where are you? Wait. No.
I am the second chance. I once walked in shadows, lost, chasing power at any cost, blinded by ego, pride's cruel grip. My heart was drowning in the slip. But now I stand with the truth inside. The chains of pride no longer tight. I see the light, a path.
Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Please give a huge round of applause for the cast and crew of The White Raven. Thank you for such an insightful performance, everyone. It was indeed thought-provoking and showcased the true sense of how everything, success, power, and recognition go in vain if ego is what holds you dominantly.
Exactly, Kenisha. It's important to look inward to that frail yet powerful voice which helps us understand what is right and ethical.